Hi students, continuation, that is preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent students. Already we did students, that is from formaldehyde. Now second one is from acetaldehyde student. Alcohols can be prepared from acetaldehyde also. When acetaldehyde student, example, now take the acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond OH. When acetaldehyde react with Grignard reagent, that is Grignard reagent form, that is I am taking methyl magnesium bromide CH3 MgBr. What happens student? In this step, now what to do student? Here in acetaldehyde, this bond shifting towards this side student, this oxygen side, we get this CH3 CO minus, this oxygen getting negative charge and this carbon getting positive charge. Then after that, as it is same hydrogen student. So in this step, now what to do student? So generally we know that is CH3 positive charge, sorry, CH3 negative charge and remaining part is Mg plus positive charge. So in Grignard reagent, in methyl magnesium bromide, this methyl group is getting negative charge and magnesium getting positive charge. Here student, this bond cleavage in between methyl and magnesium, this CH3 minus will attacks positive charge side. Simply remember student, in how to prepare alcohols from acetaldehyde. Now take the acetaldehyde student, acetaldehyde, this bond acetaldehyde having double bond was student, this double bond shifting towards oxygen side, this oxygen getting negative charge, this carbon getting positive charge student. Then after that methyl magnesium bromide will attacks. In this methyl magnesium bromide, this methyl group is getting negative charge and magnesium getting positive charge. This negative methyl group will attacks positive charge side, this positive magnesium will attacks negative charge side. We get that product is, what is the production? I am writing production, that is product I am writing CH3 COMgBr, then hydrogen as it is student. This methyl group will attacks this positive charge side, we get that is CH3. Then after that, what happens? This intermediate product will be formed, intermediate compound will be formed. Then after that student, now what to do student? After that hydrolysis student, in the presence of acidic hydrogen, generally we know student H2O it contain one H plus. You remember student, H2O it contain one H plus and one OH minus student. Here in this reaction student, this bond cleavage student, here this is bond cleavage, this oxygen getting negative charge, this magnesium getting positive charge. Here this H plus student, in hydrolysis student, this H plus will attacks this oxygen side, oxygen, this O minus is converted to OH. So here product will be, that is CH3, then CH, then CH3, then OH will be formed, that is secondary alcohol, that is 2-propanol will be formed. Simple, you remember here bond cleavage. Then after the hydrolysis student, in hydrolysis here H2O it contain one H plus and one OH minus, this H plus will attacks negative charge side, this bond cleavage, this oxygen getting negative charge and magnesium getting positive charge, this H plus will attacks negative oxygen side, this negative oxygen we get this negative oxygen, that is negative oxygen getting, this negative oxygen is converted into OH group, that is secondary alcohol will be formed. Then after that, this OH minus will combines with magnesium student, this OH minus will combine with magnesium, we get that is product is Mg OHBr will be formed. This is the final production. When acetaldehyde react with Grignard reagent, that means methyl magnesium bromide, to give, that is secondary alcohol will be formed, that is 2 degree secondary alcohol will be formed. So this is the secondary alcohol, that is 2-propanol. This is secondary carbon. So this carbon bonded with 2 other carbon, this is secondary carbon. So why? Because of this carbon bonded with 2 other carbon, so that's why it is called secondary alcohol. So this is secondary alcohol or 2-propanol. This is the simple trick. This is the preparation of how to prepare secondary alcohols. How to prepare secondary alcohol? Secondary alcohol can be prepared from Grignard reagent, that is when acetaldehyde react with methyl magnesium bromide to give secondary alcohols. How to prepare primary alcohols from Grignard reagent? When formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent, it gives primary alcohols. How to prepare secondary alcohols from Grignard reagent? When acetaldehyde react with Grignard reagent, it gives secondary alcohols. Now how to prepare tertiary alcohols students? How to prepare tertiary alcohols from Grignard reagents? When acetone react with, you remember students, when acetone react with Grignard reagent, it gives tertiary alcohol. This is the simple trick for preparation of primary alcohols, secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols. Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohols can be prepared from Grignard reagent. It is very most important student. Primary alcohol and secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols can be prepared from Grignard reagent. Now third one student, that is tertiary alcohol. Preparation of next preparation, that is tertiary alcohol students. Tertiary alcohols from tertiary alcohols from Grignard reagent. So now take the example from Grignard in example, that is when acetone CH3 C double bond O CH3, when acetone react with methyl magnesium bromide, that is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent example, that is methyl magnesium bromide. In this reaction what happens, that is this keto group, this bond shifting towards this side, this oxygen getting negative charge CH3CO minus, oxygen getting negative charge, this carbon getting positive charge, then CH3 same thing. We know in this Grignard reagent, we know this methyl group is getting negative charge, this methyl group, this bond cleavage in between bond cleavage, this methyl group getting negative charge, this magnesium getting positive charge. You remember, in Grignard reagent bond cleavage in between CH3 MgBr, this methyl group getting negative charge and magnesium getting positive charge. What happens in this reaction? This negative charge will attack positive charge side. This negative charge will attack positive charge side. Remaining part, that is Mg plus Br. This MgBr remaining part will attack negative charge side. We get what is the production, that is now product is continuation, that is product is CH3 COMgBr CH3, sorry, 1 second, CH3 remaining same, CH3 as usual, same thing, simple, this CH3 CO minus carbon plus then CH3, this secondary carbocation, this CH3 minus will attack this positive charge side, we get that is CH3 and remaining Mg plus Br will attack this side. So OMg Br will be formed. Then after that, now what to do, student? After that hydrolysis, generally hydrolysis, we know H2O it contains generally H plus and OH minus and water. H2O hydrolysis in the presence of acidic hydrogen, H2O it contain H plus and OH minus. This H plus will attack, you remember, here also bond cleavage, possible. This oxygen getting negative charge, this magnesium getting positive charge. In this reaction, this H plus will attack negative charge side, this OH minus will combines with Mg magnesium. So what is the final production in this reaction? Now final product is, that is CH3 then COH then CH3 then CH3 plus MgOH Br will be formed, magnesium hydroxy bromide. This is the final production. This is the final production, that is tertiary alcohol will be formed. So this is the tertiary alcohol, that is tertiary butyl alcohol will be formed. This is the final production. So when alcohol, primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohols can be prepared from Grignard reagent. Primary alcohols react with, how to prepare primary alcohols? Primary alcohols can be prepared from formaldehyde. When formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent, it gives primary alcohols. Acetaldehyde react with Grignard reagent, it gives secondary alcohols. Acetone react with Grignard reagent, it gives tertiary alcohol. This is the simple trick. So alcohols can be prepared from Grignard reagents also. Now next preparation, that is from carbonyl compounds. Next preparation from carbonyl compounds. This is the last preparation method. So alcohols can be prepared from carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds means what, student? That is carbonyl compound, that is aldehydes. When aldehyde that is aldehyde means CH3 CHO. when acetaldehyde reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it gives alcohol, so that is primary alcohol will be formed students. Carbonyl compound student, that is acetaldehyde, when acetaldehyde reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it gives primary alcohols. Now take the acetone student, when acetone react with lithium aluminum hydride, it is also giving secondary alcohol students. Secondary alcohol also forms from carbonyl compound lithium aluminum hydride students, and H2 by nickel also student, lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride or H2 by nickel or sodium borohydride. We can use any reagent when acetaldehyde reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride or H2 by nickel. When acetone react with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride add H2 by nickel or sodium borohydride, all are giving secondary alcohol student. Now from carboxylic acid also student, when carboxylic acid, example, now take the example CH3COH, when CH3COH acetic acid reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or H2 by nickel, it is also giving alcohol student, ethyl alcohol will be formed students. So cannot be prepared acetic acid cannot reduction with sodium borohydride. It is very most important student. When acetic acid reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or H2 by nickel, these both are giving primary alcohols, but acetic acid cannot reduction by sodium borohydride. It is very most important student. Sodium borohydride cannot reduce acetic acid, that is carboxylic acid student. And one more student, that is ester also student, CH3COO CH3 student. It is also giving when ester reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, when ester, that means methyl ethanoate, that is reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it gives ethyl alcohol student, ethyl alcohol plus and methyl alcohol will be formed. So one product is methyl alcohol, another product is ethyl alcohol will be formed. So this is the simple trick student. So when ester also can be reduced, that is lithium aluminum hydride. So this is the simple trick for alcohols, that is from carbonyl compounds. When acetaldehyde reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it is also giving alcohols. Acetone also reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or H2 by nickel or sodium borohydride, these all are giving secondary alcohols. When carboxylic acid reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or H2 by nickel, it is also giving primary alcohols. When ester also reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it gives two different types of alcohol will be formed, that is one is ethyl alcohol, another one is methyl alcohol will be formed. This is the simple trick for preparation of alcohol. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching.